Hello everyone, again I am Teacher Chris. Welcome to Math Dali. In this video, we're going to talk about addition and subtraction of radicals. In adding and subtracting radicals, one must check if the given radicals are similar. When we say similar, these are radicals having the same radicals. So for example, we can add 2 square root of 2 to 3 square root of 2 because they have the same radicand square root of 2. In this case, we are just going to add the whole number 2 and 3 that will give us 5 and copy the radicand or square root of 2. So the final answer for this one will be 5 square root of 2. The same goes with if we have here like 4 square root of 7 minus 3 square root of 7. We are just going to subtract the whole number here. 4 minus 3, that will give us 1 square root of 7. Or in other term, we can write it as the square root of 7. Next, how about if we are going to work with radicals just like the following? 2 square root of 8 plus 3 square root of 2. First thing we need to check is the given radical are similar? When we say similar, it must have its common radicals. So we have the square root of 8 and square root of 2. At first glance, we can say that they are not similar because they don't have the same radical. So next thing we're going to do, if you are going to recall the simplifying of radicals, we can simplify 8 here. So to simplify 8, we are going to think of a number that if we multiply, that will give us 8. That will give us 8. And if we get one of those factor, it has the square root. So for example, we have here 2. And the factors of 8 that has a square root, that will be 4 and 2 plus 3 square root of 2. As you can see here, we can now get the square root of 4, that is 2. And we are going to multiply it with the whole number that we have here earlier. So 2 times the square root of 4, that is 2, with the square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. And then afterwards, we are going to simplify 2 times 2, that will be 4 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. And this time around, we can now add them. 4 plus 3, that will be 7 square root of 2. Remember, whenever we are working with this kind of equation, 2 square root of 8 plus 3 square root of 2, we cannot add them because they are the similar radicals. In that case, we are going to simplify one of them so that they will be similar. When I say simplifying, we are going to think of a number that if we multiply, it becomes 8, and one of those number must have its factor. So that will be 4. So square root of 4 times 2 is still square root of 8, and we can now simplify square root of 4 and 2 here. Square root of 4 will be 2. And that answer will be multiplied with the whole number that we have here earlier. That will be 2. And then we are going to multiply the 2 and the 2 here. That's why we have here 4 square root of 2 plus 3 square root of 2. This time around, we can now add them because they are similar radicals already. So 4 plus 3 is 7 square root of 2. So our final answer for this one will be 7 square root of 2. That's all for this video. Goodbye.